So I'm out here enjoying these Meta glasses. These are the Oakleys. I decided to grab them. It's different. I've never owned the. I actually had the Ray-Bans, but I didn't know what I had at the time. I bought the Ray-Bans, and I gave them to my youngest daughter, and she was excited. And I was like, "Why is she so excited?" And years later, I found out why. So I'm just out walking, and I decided to bring my Metas. I've had these for about 72 hours, and they are really nice. They're really nice. I mean, these are the transitions.
You can say, "Hey Meta, read it."
I'm getting a message right now since my phone is linked. I just got a text message, and Meta, the glasses are reading it to me. It's really cool. So it's so strange. But these glasses are actually really cool, and I wanted to review them. They are a little pricey, but when you think about the way our technology in the world is today, these things they're going to come in handy, and you won't even need to pull out a cell phone. So that's another reason why I wanted to get these. Sometimes I'm at car events or I'm just somewhere, and I'm not looking to go viral or anything like that, but these will be much more discreet than pulling out your cell phone. And then also, I wear prescription glasses, so I need to figure out a way to get my prescription put on these glasses because I just bought them outright. But let's continue at my house. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm back at the house, and these glasses are actually really good. These will run you $480 before taxes, and they're roughly $500 after taxes for me for where I live. And these are nice. This case is really nice. I didn't bother to do like an unboxing or anything like that. I posted a picture of the box on social media about 3 or 4 days ago when I got them, and I've been using them. So I decided to take them out today and actually get some real world video and real world photos, and I will show you them here. But the glasses themselves are kind of like a matte feel or matte look on the bottom portion, and the top portion is gloss, and the gloss flows all the way around to both handles, and you've got some Oakley branding right there. Overall, these are a really good set of glasses for smart media style glasses. They are really, really nice. I actually bought the Ray-Bans when they first came out. The first versions of the Ray-Bans, I bought them, and I didn't use them, so I put them in the box and I gave them to my youngest daughter. And at that time, she was so excited, like I said before, and I was like, what did I just give away? But nonetheless, these cost more than the Ray-Bans. The Ray-Bans are $300. These are pretty much $500. And the difference I've noticed between the two, because I have used the Ray-Bans before, I like the button controls on the top of these. I like just to say the keyword, and it's so quick. I also like being able to just snap a photo. And I know you can do these things on the Ray-Bans, but something about these, it just feels, I don't know. Maybe it's because I didn't use the Ray-Bans as long or really give them a long test. But this set of Oakleys here, these are nice. It doesn't matter that the brand is Oakley. It's just that they just happen to be Oakley, and this setup is really nice. The controls with the application are really nice as well. But other than the way they look, the battery life is actually pretty decent on these because I don't use them all the time. Like I said before, I have prescription glasses, and so until I can get my prescriptions put in these, probably won't wear these as much. I'll use them only when I'm outside and only when I don't have to view something in particular. I'll put these on. If I'm just driving or just whatever, I'll do that. So I'm pretty excited that I got these actually. Now that I've actually put them to some use, I like them, man. I just need to get my prescription put on these, and that's gonna set it over the top for me. This size, it is a little snug, but the more I've worn them, it's starting to feel comfortable or whatever. Now, took photos, took videos, but what do they look like? Well, let's take a look here. So as you can see, video is actually really good. I wasn't talking or anything like that. I just walked up the block a little bit and shot a quick little snippet. And the footage outside, obviously, I shot footage indoors, but there's some things I just don't want to show inside. So I just decided to just go outside and go for a walk and do it. And I'm pretty happy that I did. The quality outside on a sunny day, even probably on a rainy day, it's probably going to be really good. These cameras are actually really, not these cameras. These cameras on these glasses are actually probably really strong. They're really good. So photos though, wow, photos are actually really good too. So this setup is actually nothing new. It's just these glasses are new. And I like the quality. I like the quality. Could I recommend them? Yeah, I could recommend to the person who is into this type of technology, wants to see something going forward. You want the new, you want to be ahead of the curve. You want to make sure that you're getting a quality product. And people like to say, this isn't sponsored. I bought it with my own money. I don't have to say that. You guys know that my channel isn't really sponsored at all. So most of the things I bring you, I'll tell you right away if it was, sent to me. But unfortunately, Oakley didn't reach out and say, hey, Jay, here's some glasses. But when I saw these, I was like, you know what? Got it. Quick. Boom. So I just think that if the person who this is for may be a mixed crowd. I'm not 45, 35, 25. I'm not the younger people, and I love these. And it could be just because I'm into tech or whatever, but I actually could recommend these to all ages. I could. The dog's just walking around. I could recommend them to all ages, and I think a lot of people could find use for these because, especially if a person doesn't wear glasses, oh, you're gonna love these. You can wear these all the time. I don't know how long the battery actually would last if you wore them all day, but right now mine is going on 4 days of ownership, and I'm at 95% left. And I've shot video. I shot more stuff than I've shown you, but like I said, I only show you the stuff when I was outside or whatever. But in the end, this is a great set of glasses. And as of this point, I could recommend them. It's just that the price might be a little, could be a concern for someone. $480 plus tax is like $500 or more for some people. If you don't have tax where you live, then you're just paying $480. So are they good? Absolutely. Is the quality of the video and the photos good? Fantastic. So the price will be the only thing that might stop some people, and possibly the battery if you plan to wear them all day for use. But if you have prescription glasses inside of here, you won't probably be telling it to take photos as much. But if you did, you just pop them off, charge them up, and they charge really fast too. The charging port is on the bottom down here. Put them in the case, and you're off. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed the Oakley Metas. These are fire right here, man. I'm gonna probably wear these more than I think I am, especially for car shows and stuff like that. I was at a car show yesterday, the recording this video though. I was at a car meet or whatever, and I forgot them. But there's another car show coming up Sunday. I will be there. I might wear them in church on Saturday because you can't tell that these aren't whatever. I don't have to say the keywords like "Hey Meta, record." I can just hit the button or long press the button and it'll record whatever I wanted to record, so I can show it back to whoever that can't make that men's retreat or whatever. But nonetheless, they're gonna be very useful for me. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Would you buy these? Or did you buy them already? Let me know in the comments. I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link for you to get them. If you're balling like that, brush your shoulders off and join your man Jay. And let's get it on. I'll see you.